Welcome back, everybody. You know, I'm trying lots of new things out. The new semi-live style of video that I think I'm gonna stick with. It's so much more fun and relaxing. And check this out. I brought it uptown. We are upstairs off of our master bedroom. We have a balcony up here. I've never brought you up here ever before. But let's set up a brand new place to cook and have some fun. So in my last video, one user left a comment and he said, "Where's that nice apron that your mother made you?" She actually made me two, so let's pick one out. This is the last one that she made. We picked this fabric up in Montana the last time we were up there in Whitefish. I love it, but this is probably the apron that I have worn the least. So let's put that one on today. We've lived here for over 4 years. Our last house, the back deck, was barely big enough for one 36-inch griddle. But with all the levels and all the decks on the back of the house here, we have almost 1,000 square feet of decks. That is the area that I usually cook in. And if you go past those griddles and the picnic table around the corner over there, that's where I was cooking last year. We have another huge area over there. I'm not going to impress you with how messy our back porches are right now. Need to do a lot of board replacement and some staining, rail work this year, and we even have another level as well down here. Last year we had lots of tile work done inside. We had our bathrooms remodeled, so I'm busy putting trim up, staining trim, putting trim up. My wife has been retexturing walls, but it's fun to get outside here, and looking forward to bringing you some new videos here from our deck. So back porches are all about 33 years old and they need a little TLC. We'll get to that eventually, but hopefully you guys enjoy this video from the upper deck. It's time for bacon fried corn 3.0. .22-inch Blackstone on high. Here we go, folks. Real time bacon. I just chopped this up inside the house, straight down on the hot griddle top. Notice I'm using those brand new adventure ready folding spatulas. If you didn't catch the video where I revealed these, they are pretty sweet. Blackstone has 2 new sets of these out at Walmart. Look at that. So if you're using the 17-inch, the 22-inch adventure ready and you're out and about, but you don't want to have giant spatulas the size of your smaller griddle, just put these in a Ziploc bag, put them in your pocket, put them in your box full of cooking goodies, and you are ready to go. Really nice too, folks. Love these things. They're lightweight, really nice anodized aluminum. Now I can immediately see that this bacon is cooking very well. I don't want it to burn, I just want things to cook. So I'm gonna go ahead and take advantage of the 2 burners that I have, turn them both down to about medium. Don't want my bacon to burn. So bacon fried corn, folks. If you've caught me on tour in the past, a lot of bacon fried corn. What a recipe. So I've been making it for several years now. We love it. And we got people across the country hooked on bacon fried corn. Bacon fried corn probably got its roots down in Mexico. Mexican fried corn, street corn, and of course moved its way up the Baja Peninsula to Southern California. And of course it's all across the Southwest now. And you'll see it in different places around the country. So Mexican street corn, bacon fried corn, and the main ingredients are bacon and corn. Then you can add other things to it to kick it up and make it extra special. Food trucks across the western U.S. make different types of street corn, bacon fried corn. Folks across Mexico make a corn that they call elote, which is the corn on the cob, fresh sweet corn on a stick that they dip in a mixture of mayonnaise and sour cream. They roll it in different kinds of things. They top it with Mexican crumbling cheeses. So corn is where it's at, folks. If you watch that video of mine, I don't know which one it was, maybe a couple weeks or so ago. I'm doing a lot of videos lately, folks, here on my channel, and also over at Blackstone, doing a lot of Facebook Lives there. I'm losing track, but I bought a 15-pound package of bacon. So, folks, look at that bacon right there. It is literally about how, oh boy, I gotta quit saying the word literally. I say that too much. I literally say the word literally too much. So that bacon is halfway done, and I'm just gonna move that over here. Gonna let that finish cooking like so. I want it to be beautiful. I do have some corn here, folks. A couple small packs of corn. These are 10 ounces, so 20 ounces of corn. So 1 1/4 pounds of corn. You definitely want to use sweet corn for this, or I shouldn't say sweet corn. I guess it doesn't matter if it's sweet, but you want to use sweet corn. You want to use fresh corn. You want to use frozen corn. I would not use canned corn, but hey, in times like these, if canned corn is all you had, go for it. And I think it'd be pretty darn special. But if you had a preference, I'd go frozen or fresh. There we go, folks. Get rid of this trash. So meanwhile, the bacon is looking good over here. Not editing at all, folks. These videos are so much more fun for me to make. And I'm going to immediately mix that up with the corn. That bacon grease is going to have a beautiful reaction, or the corn is going to have a beautiful reaction when that bacon grease wraps around it and starts sizzling. Now, folks, if that's all you did right there, if all you did is had bacon and corn together with maybe some salt and pepper, that would be all you need, because that mixture of sweet and savory is where it's at. But we're going to do a little bit more to it today, folks. As far as measurements, I don't measure anything. Measuring's for weak people. But no, you don't need to measure it. If you wanted more bacon, put more bacon in there. And if you don't want more, well, then don't put more. If you want more corn, put more corn. You get the point. All right, things are looking good. I'm going to go ahead and turn these burners back to high again. That bacon will take, essentially that bacon, you're dumping frozen blocks of ice. It's frozen corn. Well, now it's semi-frozen on the griddle. So it's going to take a minute or two to come back up to temperature. Now, when I go on tour, when I'm on the Griddle More tour with Blackstone, I'm doing mammoth, Goliath-sized portions of this on the 36-inch griddle. If you've come to my demos or seen some of those videos that you can find here on my YouTube channel, you'll see me whipping out 15, 20 pounds plus. And so that's going to take a lot longer to cook. So this will be a quick batch today, folks. Let me do this too. This is that minced garlic that I love. Saw me using it a lot in my videos on tour last year. Gourmet Garden minced garlic. It's essentially minced garlic with canola oil. So a great alternative if you don't have time or the desire to mince up garlic. It's really good. It's really fresh. That company also makes tube cilantro. I didn't like that. I tried it and I did not like it. But the minced garlic is where it's at. Folks, that bacon fried corn looking good. Try to bring it over here in a pile to make it look prettier for y'all. Right there, folks. Now, I could have left the bacon on there longer if I wanted to. I could have burned that up to a crisp. So the bacon's going to be done, but I'm going to have it a little more pliable today. All right, folks, next up, Blackstone's tequila lime seasoning. My first love for Blackstone seasonings with bacon fried corn is going to be the taco and fajita, but this year I started using the tequila lime. Shout out to Scott Stevenson, my boss at Blackstone. He likes the tequila lime, so I gave it a try and I really liked it. So tequila lime, really good, natural lime flavoring, folks. I love it. Tastes good, and it's got a lime punch to it, but it's not a fake tasting lime. It is a really good, real lime flavor. So season it how you want, a little bit or a lot. All right, folks, now I have some, I have to have fresh chopped cilantro. Oh man, love that cilantro. Now you could add diced red onion to this. That would give it a beautiful color. You could add a lot of different things to this. I talked to a guy recently that said he liked my recipe, and he turned his into brisket fried corn. He used leftover brisket instead of bacon. So a lot of different things you can do, folks. All right, I'll show you where we make some more of this magic happen, but that's done, folks. Get out of here. See? Semi-live, we're dumping things. Hopefully we can see that. This is the molcajete, the giant salsa bowl from the Blackstone Fiesta kit. I'm gonna put that in here just so we can get it off the griddle, and it'll be a little more manageable. Take it over to the table and start garnishing it. There we go. I don't want to waste any corn, so bear with me while I put a little extra, or scrape a little extra off the griddle top, rather. Alright, folks, that's pretty good. Turn this off. I'm going to deal with it later. Come over here to the table. Alright, folks, back here at the table. I want to make this a little more manageable and I want to make it look really good, so we're just going to slide this over and get our smaller Blackstone salsa bowl, and we'll fill this up with the bacon fried corn. This is where the magic happens, folks. You can top this off with different types of Mexican cheeses, different types of sauces. I mean, you can really go crazy, do whatever you want to do here. But I'm going to show you the way that I like to do it now, based off of some ideas that I got when I was out in California, out in Bakersfield last month. So people out there were showing me pictures of food trucks and how they were doing the bacon fried corn, the Mexican street corn, topped with crumbled flaming hot Cheetos. Now by themselves, I'm not a huge flaming hot Cheetos guy. I suppose in a recipe it might be really good, but what our family really enjoys is we really enjoy the cheddar jalapeno Cheetos. Hands down, these are our favorite, and all the kids, all the ages, we love these. So let's go ahead, open those up. Got a Ziploc bag here. Pour some into the Ziploc bag like so. And we'll try to crunch those up, crush them up in the Ziploc bag. This will be our corn topping. You know, I can already realize that I'm forgetting one thing. When I made this on the Blackstone Live video last week, I put a beautiful, beautiful slice of avocado right there. So I might have to pause the video to put that on there, but we'll see. So some of those cheddar jalapeno Cheetos right there, folks. Look at that. Dust my hand off. And check out this crema that I bought. So I love crema, Mexican sour cream. Been using it for a long time, but I found this at Costco a couple weeks ago. This is a delicious cilantro lime. You can make your own cilantro lime crema, but they have it ready to go. Cilantro lime crema. I'm gonna put that right over here on this side, like that. Now, folks, again, you could imagine what this would look like if it had that slice of avocado. So let me go grab a slice of avocado and we'll get some beauty shots. I am back with my avocado. There we go. That's the finishing touch, folks. And of course, my Cholula chili garlic. Cholula, they have lots of varieties. Original Chipotle chili garlic for our family. We love it, from the youngest to the oldest. Cholula chili garlic. It is hands down my #1 recommendation for the best Mexican hot sauce. Here we go, folks. Little Cholula. Oh man, look at that. Take a look at that. Let's give it a try. Oh man. Bacon fried corn, folks. If you have never tried it, you owe it to yourself. Out of all the things that I've made on the Blackstone Griddle, for some reason, bacon fried corn is the item, the recipe that I get the most emails, the most text, the most messages about, people telling me that they love it. It became their #1 side dish for Mexican, for Tex-Mex cooking, as well as a side dish for barbecue. Got some of that avocado on this bite. Don't forget the crunchy Cheetos. Talking with my mouth full again. Friends, I hope you really like this new style of video. I was really pigeonholed. I got myself down in this area of doing these highly edited videos. When I started on YouTube 11 years ago or so, 11 and a half years ago, I had to learn how to edit videos. And, you know, I think I got fairly decent at it. But the last couple of years, the joy of making the videos just was sucked out of me. I love meeting the folks out on the street. I love doing the live videos. I love doing the demos at the stores. And all the hours at the editing table really just did suck the creative life out of me. So I'm so glad that I decided to switch to this unedited style of video. I hope you're enjoying it. I'm sorry to talk with my mouth full, but I'm still doing it. Folks, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, like, comment, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you're doing with your bacon fried corn, your street corn, your Mexican street corn. Shout out to my mom. Shout out to all my friends at Blackstone, folks. Make sure you're following us over on Facebook. CJ and Nate did a big video today. They did some taquitos and some crunch wraps. But until next time, folks, I got to get over to eating some of this corn, so I want to turn the camera off. Until next time, folks, this is Todd, and I'm saying praise the Lord. Always praise the Lord. And pass the bacon fried corn.